Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix that your EDIFIER HECATE GX07 keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommended to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. And then you open the charging case, remove your earbuds and check is it fixed. If it doesn't, then I recommend to perform a factory reset, and we have two options how to do this. We can use an application or we can use control. So in the application you need to of course open the application and make sure that your earbuds that you add your earbuds to the application. Now I added, but this application have this problem that sometimes it cannot see your earbuds. Then you go to the settings at the right top, and right here at the right side we have factory settings. Stop at this line and click confirm. Or we can use a control. As I said, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Now, right here, inside the charging case, we have connection button. You need to press 3 times this button. 1, 2, 3. And after that, we can remove it from your phone and then add it. So, go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or go back and return to the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you don't need to use connection button, you just tap at your earbuds here. And then check it. Also, if it didn't help you, we can reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So, firstly I will show you how to do this on your iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what's similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also iPhone part to find similar path to these settings. So, on your iPhone, go to the settings, and then go to the general. Scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer or reset iPhone. Tap at this line and then click reset. Right here you need to select reset network settings, because we cannot reset Bluetooth settings, so it's like inside the network settings. So click at this line, write password and then click network settings, but again you will remove your networks from your phone. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to... Sorry, that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. And on Android, open settings, and we need to find accessibility. I have stock Android and it located at the bottom. Sorry, we need to find not accessibility but just system. I missed. So system, then scroll down, and at the bottom we have reset options. Enter here, and you need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then click reset. But again, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.